Good morning, students. This is Priyanka Bansal from SKM Public School. Students, today we will discuss the case studies of chapter planning. Okay, this is the last part of chapter planning, and today we will discuss the case studies questions. Okay, first is Suhasini, a home science graduate from a reputed college, has recently done a cookery course. She wished to start her own venture with a goal to provide healthy food at reasonable prices. Okay, she discussed her idea with her teacher, who encouraged her. After analyzing various options for starting her business venture, they shortlisted the option to sell ready-made and ready-to-make vegetable shakes and set to milkshakes. Okay, then they weighed the pros and cons of both the short listed options. ठीक है, तो सुहासिनी ने क्या किया है, उसने होम साइंस किया था and after completing the graduation course he wished to start that business related to healthy food at a reasonable price. She discussed this with her teacher also, and they shortlisted the options that how they will sell ready to make vegetable shake, and they analyze the pros and cons. Okay, so name the function of management being discussed above and give any one of its characteristics. Okay, here we have to tell that which function of management is involved in this. The planning is involved. Okay, because planning is the first managerial function, and in which it involves decision making. Okay, it involves that application of rational thinking, that how to select, how to analyze the things, and selection of the best alternative. Okay, so first of all, decision making is involved in this function is related to planning, and that it is related to decision making, that selection of the best alternative, then application, and the achievement of the desired goal. Okay, so this is the in this case study, which option is discussed, that is related to planning. Okay, so next is Rahul, a worker, is given a target of assembling 2 computers per day. Due to his habit of doing things differently, an idea stuck with him would not only reduce the assembling time of computers but would also reduce the cost of production of the consumers. Okay, instead of appreciating him, Rahul's supervisors ordered him to complete the work as per the method and techniques decided earlier, as nothing could be changed at that stage. Okay, the above paragraph describes one of the limitation of the planning function of मैनेजमेंट. नेम एंड एक्सप्लेन दैट लिमिटेशन. देखो क्या है कि राहुल एक वर्कर है जो क्या करता है, हु इज़ गिवन ए टारगेट ऑफ असेंबलिंग 2 कंप्यूटर्स 1 डे. मतलब उसको 2 कंप्यूटर्स बनाने हैं. ठीक है, अब उसकी एक ऐसी आदत है डैट ही इज़ इनोवेटिव. ओके, मतलब क्या है, वो क्रिएटिव है, जिसकी वजह से उसने क्या है, एक ऐसा आइडिया निकाला जो क्या है ना साथ में तो टाइम भी कम कंज्यूम करेगा, और क्या है, कॉस्ट भी क्या है, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को भी रिड्यूस कर देगा. बट जो उसका सुपरवाइज़र है, हेड है, उसने क्या किया है, उसको उस आइडिया को रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया है और कहा कि जो ऑलरेडी प्लान मेथड है उसी को ही फॉलो किया जाए. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द केस स्टडी, एंड वी हैव टू टेल दैट विच फंक्शन और विच लिमिटेशन is that involved in this, that is related to planning reduces creativity. मतलब वो उसकी क्रिएटिविटी थी कि उसने एक आइडिया इन्वॉल्व किया, एक आइडिया जनरेट किया कि जिससे क्या है, असेंबलिंग टाइम भी कम होएगा और कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन भी कम होएगी. ठीक है, बट ड्यू टू प्री प्लान एंड दैट द सुपरवाइजर रिफ्यूज टू अडॉप्ट दैट पॉलिसी विच द राहुल हैज़ इनोवेटेड. ओके, एंड दिस इज रिलेटेड टू विच लिमिटेशन, दैट द प्लानिंग इज रिड्यूसिंग द क्रिएटिविटी. ओके, it is working on the pre-plans only. So in this, which limitation is explained, that is related to planning involve or reduces creativity. Okay, so limitation you will do by yourself, you can explain this. Okay, limitation that due to this limitation, the innovative ideas cannot be involved in the process of working. Okay, because in the process of planning which has been that discussed or planned, that will be implemented only. Okay, Next is Joseph. Joes Limited is one of the largest two-wheeler manufacturer in India. It has a market share of about 42% in the two-wheeler category. The company has witnessed almost a drop 35% drop in the booking as the currency crunch was promoting people to withhold new purchases due to demonstration. Okay, therefore the production manager of the company has decided to align production to factor in slower sales in the market. Okay, so in the context of the above case, identify and explain the function of management being discussed in the above line. Which limitation of function? Okay, so planning is the function of management which is being discussed in the above line. Okay, that the process in which we make the plan, we discuss the plan, we that analyze the alternatives and we select the best alternative. All these steps are related to planning function. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, where to do, by whom to be done. These all are the parts of and that planning, and in this we are analyzing, we are setting the objective, then analyzing the condition and selecting the best alternative. Okay, and in this the production manager is trying to overcome the following limitation. Which limitations? That rigidity means planning may not work in dynamic environment, because when the environment is getting changed, as we has discussed the last case study, that the Rahul has innovated the new idea, but then also his supervisor refuses to adopt that idea because they will work according to the plan which they have pre-decided. Okay, so in this which limitation is there? That the according to the change in the environment. Okay, in this case study, which is there, what is there? There is a change in the environment, there is change in the policy. Okay, and the planning may not work in dynamic environment, because in planning the work is done on the pre-decided objectives. Okay, so the term demonstration has become a household name since the government pulled off the old rupees 500 and 1000 notes out of circulation in November 2016. Prior to the year 2016, the Indian government had demonstrated banknotes on two prior occasions, once in the year 1946, then again in 1978. In both cases, the purpose was to combat tax evasion by black money. Identify the type of one of the function of management being in this above line. Okay, so what is there that in this question, what is there that demonstration has become a name? Why? Because the government has changed, that we know that there was a notebandi. Okay, the name was notebandi, in which what was done, the old notes of 500 and thousands were out of circulation. Okay, and it was on 8 November 2016, and this was the change in the environment. Okay, this was the change in environment, and due to change in this policy and the planning, okay, there is change in environment, but the planning will not work in the dynamic environment. Okay, so what is discussed in these lines? What is discussed? Objectives and strategies, that we have to make the objectives in such a manner so that we can compete with the changing environment, and the strategies should be like this, that there should be plan B, plan C, and the strategies should be like this, that if there is change in any environment factor, if there is any change in that economy, society, or taste in, or in the preference of the consumers, or we can say if there is any new and innovative ideas, new technologies, to adopt these changes, there should be strategies. Okay, there should be strategies so that the work can be done in an effective and efficient manner, and the changes can be made according to the need of the environment.